Hey there, thanks for stopping by and checking out our product launch. I'm excited to show you around space, give you a quick tour, and share some insights into the way we at KYZON use space for the way we work. Well, it looks like it's just you, me, and our imaginary friend here today. But hey, I'm sure we'll make it work. So to give you some background as to why we design space, we use documents, like a lot of documents when we work. And we wanted an easy way to share and collaborate on documents when we're not together. So let me show you how that works. So we've integrated a few cloud providers just to make it really easy to share documents regardless of what you use. So let's take OneDrive as an example. So I want to share a meeting overview today, and let's go through the walkthrough demo. So I'm going to quickly share it, and within seconds it simply loads and we can kind of go over it. Let's suppose we've completed the agenda, and I'm going to make this change so everyone can see it in the meeting. And our imaginary friend is now going to share a presentation. So the topic of this presentation today seems to be, summer bucket lists. Okay, so the imaginary friend is sharing the summer bucket list, and they're going, and the presentation is synced for everyone. So during the presentation, I might take some notes like rock climbing, surfing, just to get a good idea of what we want to do and talk about. And once we get a good grasp of what the entire meeting is all about, we might split off into smaller groups. So let's create a new space for that. So summer bucket list ideas. And that easily brings us into a new space that is open and doesn't feel like we're part of like a whole different call. So, well, it's just me and myself in this idea driven space at the moment, but hey, let's suppose I wanted to go back to the central space and communicate with my imaginary friend. Summer ideas. And we can kind of communicate without exactly hopping between spaces all the time. Let's go to the beach. Great idea. And that kind of shows you a bit about the way we use space to work, and we look forward to kind of sharing different ideas and seeing other implementations of how we can make space better for everyone.